5 common misconceptions about learning, debunked with fun and enthusiasm. Hey there, awesome learners! Ready to bust some myths about learning? Let's dive into the top 5 misconceptions that might be holding you back and flip them on their heads. Myth 1. Learning is a fixed trait you're born with and can't change. Reality check. Learning is a dynamic, ever-evolving adventure. It depends on motivation, effort, feedback, and your environment. Think of learning as a lifelong journey where you level up with each new challenge. Embrace a growth mindset and watch yourself soar. Myth 2. Rigorous education equals a teacher talking. Reality check. Sure, teachers have tons of knowledge to share, but the magic happens when you get involved. Engaging in dialogue, creating projects, and applying knowledge to real-life scenarios makes learning stick. Teachers are there to guide your epic quest for discovery. Myth 3. Personalized learning is all fun and games. Reality check. Personalized learning isn't just about playing games and using cool tech, though that's part of the fun. It's about diving into your interests and finding learning methods that light your fire. Tailoring your learning journey boosts engagement and makes studying an exhilarating ride. Myth 4. Every student has a learning style, visual, auditory, kinesthetic, that teachers should cater to. Reality check. The truth is, there's no solid evidence that teaching to your learning style works. Instead, mixing it up and processing information in multiple ways supercharges your brain. Variety is the spice of learning life. Myth 5. Easily learned concepts are easily remembered. Reality check. Fast learning might feel great, but it often leads to quick forgetting. Creating desirable difficulties like retrieval practice challenges your brain and cements knowledge for the long haul. Struggle a bit now, remember forever. The grand finale. Let's make learning exciting. Learning isn't a one-size-fits-all process. It's a thrilling, complex journey influenced by countless factors. By embracing evidence-based practices like a growth mindset, student-centered learning, and retrieval practice, you can shatter these misconceptions and unlock your full potential. Get ready to transform your study game and make learning an adventure you can't wait to embark on. Stay curious, stay excited, and keep learning. Thanks a ton for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, folks.